sa Crypto Arena. So, manonood tayo ng live ngayon ng Lakers versus Dallas Mavericks. So, historical laban na to kasi, you know, very controversial to dahil shit project, diba? Dahil kalili pa to sa Lakers. Kasi nakalaban pa nila ngayon. Nakalaban pa nila ngayon ano? Dallas Mavericks. So, let's see what will happen inside. So, mamaya ipabulag natin ang limang na ito loob. Yan. Ito Crypto Arena. Ice hockey nila. Ito yung yung Kobe Bryant statue. Famous one. Okay, Kobe Bryant. There you go. Mamaya titingin tayo ng jersey kung merong available jersey kay Luka Doncic. Let's see how much they selling it. Tignan natin kung magkano. Ganda ng jersey ng Bryant. Wala na pumapansin kay Abdul Jabbar. This is the legend Abdul Jabbar. Look at that. Yan naman si Abdul Jabbar. And Magic Johnson. The back. That's the Magic Johnson. Oh, look at that. Oh, di ba sa LA now? Alright. First time makapanood ng live experience. It's cool. Pretty cool. Alright.